Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a month or so ago, I let you know that with the rollout of Google Chrome version 143, which back then was the latest stable version, Chrome 143 had removed Windows 11's Mica effect from the browser. And Mica, in case you're wondering, just as a quick recap, is a design material that's used in Windows 11 where the background shows the desktop wallpaper. So it picks up elements of the desktop and the background, which makes it more consistent with Windows 11's look and feel. Now, just to let you know that in Chrome Canary, which is an early preview version, which is currently sitting on version 146, stable is now on 144, the experimental flag to enable the Mica effect has been restored in Chrome Canary 146, which I think is great. And it does seem that Google cannot make up its mind regarding Mica, so it was removed in 143 and is now back in 146 behind an experimental flag. So just to show you what this is all about, we head to our Omnibox and enter Chrome://flags, and in the search you type in Mica. And there we go, Windows 11 Mica title bar. Use the DWM system drawn Mica title bar on Windows 11 version 22H2 build 22621 and above. Okay, so that's quite an old build, but nonetheless, all you have to do is change that from default to enabled, relaunch the browser, and you can see I've chosen quite a colorful wallpaper, and that's in dark mode. So the title bar is picking up different elements of the desktop wallpaper. Now this is actually better if I change it to light mode, just for the purpose of the video. So there we can see that's a lot better, and you can see that color in the title bar is changing as I move it around different aspects of that desktop background. So I think that's a nice move. Having the flag back is definitely a move in the right direction. And over on Chromium Gerrit, it says the flag is going to be available until version 160. So there's still a bit of time for that flag to be doing the rounds in Chrome. And a good reason why they've pushed it to version 160. Currently we are on version 146 where the experimental flag is available. Could be because they want to really test the feature out before they roll it out to a stable. But having the flag back is definitely a step in the right direction, meaning that it does mean now that Google is wanting to test the feature further. And if I get any more information regarding the Mica effect, obviously I'll post and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.